In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to treasure hunt in Costco. Think of this as your guide to uncovering limited time finds and seasonal surprises right on the Costco website, and learning how to narrow results and compare items so you pick the best deal with confidence. Start by heading to the Costco homepage. At the very top of the site, scan the main navigation bar. You're looking for the treasure hunt link in the header. It's designed to spotlight rotating specials, so when you see it, click it to open the dedicated treasure hunt page. Once you're in, make the results work for you by using filter results. Filters help you quickly zero in on what matters most. You can refine by category to focus on, say, electronics or home goods, and you can narrow by price range to stay within budget. Brand filters can help if you have a favorite manufacturer, and delivery or availability filters can highlight options that ship to your door. If your list looks too short after filtering, clear or loosen a filter to bring more options back. Now browse the treasure hunt grid. Use the sort options like price or best match to organize the page in a way that fits how you shop. As you scan, watch for helpful labels such as online only, member savings, or limited time. Thumbnails often include key details, so take a moment to read those small callouts before you click. When something catches your eye, open the product page to see the full details. Here's where you can dig into photos, specs, measurements, what's included, shipping information, and return terms. Skim the reviews and questions for real-world insights, and check the fine print for warranties or bundle components. If it's a multi-pack or bulk item, look for price per unit to compare true value. If you're torn between similar items, use the compare feature. On the product tile or on the product page, select the option to compare so the item is added to your comparison list. Stick to the same category for the clearest side-by-side. Head back to the treasure hunt results. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a compare bar showing how many products you've selected. When you're ready, click compare. A side-by-side view will lay out specs, features, prices, and other key differences, so you can quickly spot what sets each item apart. From there, you can remove an item, add another from the results, and repeat until the best choice is obvious. That's the full treasure hunt workflow. Find the section, filter smartly, browse thoroughly, dive into details, and use comparison to decide. Deals rotate, and quantities can be limited, so check back often and act when you see a great find. Happy treasure hunting. Happy treasure.